In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and play the new MECCHA Chameleon in just a few steps. And this is the best method because with this method you will be able to host lobbies and play with your friends. So this is very easy. Just go to Steam, you need to download and launch it. This is completely free. Then search for MECCHA Chameleon right here and you should find the game. So if we scroll down, you'll find the option to get MECCHA Chameleon. So firstly, you will need to add it to your cart. Then you need to view your card. Now click continue to payment and you can select a lot of different payment methods. You can use PayPal, your credit card. You can also use your Steam wallet balance if you have. Then click continue and click purchase. After this, you will find this option to install the content, or you can also go to library and then collections and you will find MECCHA Chameleon right here. So you can click install and then select the drive where you want to install this game. Click install again and the downloads will begin. You can click this progress bar at the bottom to see the estimated time remaining. In my case it's only 5 minutes, but depending on your internet speed it might be more or less. After that you can just play the game, and if you don't like it or if you are having any troubles, you can always request a refund through Steam support. So that's it. This way your friends can also get the game and you can play with them. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.